representative elements?
A group A elements.
2. In which of the following sets is the symbol of the element the number of protons and the number of electrons given correctly?
A. Protons and electrons.
3. Which of the following is true about the electron configurations of the noble gases?
A. The highest occupied S and P sublevels are completely filled.
4. Which subatomic particle plays the greatest part in determining the properties of an element?
B. Electrons.
5. Which of the following groupings contains only representative elements?
C. A. L. M. G. L. I.
6. Which of the following is true about the electron configurations of the representative elements?
B. The highest occupied S and P sublevels are partially filled.
7. Of the elements Fe, Hg, U, and Te, which is a representative element?
D. Te.
8. How does atomic radius change from left to right across the period in the periodic table?
A. Tends to decrease.
9. Atomic size generally
D. Decreases as you move left to right across the period.
10. What element in the second period has the largest atomic radius?
B. Lithium.
11. What is the charge of a cation?
A. Positive charge.
12. In which of the following sets are the charges given correctly for all the ions?
B. K plus SR2 plus O2 negative.
13. What is the element with the highest electronegativity value?
D. Fluorine.
14. What is the energy required to remove an electron from an atom in the gaseous state called?
B. Ionization energy.
15. Which statement is true about electronegativity?
D. Electronegativity generally increases from left to right across the period.
16. Which of the following decreases with increasing atomic number in group 2A?
C. Ionization energy.
17. Which of the following statements correctly compares the relative size of an ion to its neutral atom?
A. The radius of
anions versus the radius of its neutral atom.
18.
18. Which of the following factors contributes to the increase in ionization energy from left to right across the period?
C. An increase in the number of protons.
19. As you move from left to right across the second period of the periodic table?
A. Ionization energy increases.
20. Of the following elements, which one has the smallest first ionization energy?
C. Aluminum.
Let's hear it for.
Yeah, Margaret.